Now, now you take out your pencil because we will start with the design process. The starting part will be slightly boring, but I will assure you later on it gets fun. Okay. So I'm going to suggest to all of you guys that you listen carefully to what I'm talking and try to design your own robot. But if you cannot think or cannot get any ideas, feel free to borrow my ideas. What did I say? I said that you have to do your own robot. You have to listen to what I'm talking and use that in your design process. But if you cannot get any ideas, it is okay that you borrow my idea. There is no problem with that. Okay. But I would love it that if you have your own design. Okay. Now let us get down to the problem. The problem is making a robot that would make my life better. So, okay, somebody said chef robot. Cook food. Somebody said help me with homework. Table organizer. I'll write it like this. Okay. What will it help you with? Cleaner. Somebody said cleaner. Okay. Recycle. Teacher. Recycle. Okay, so all the people who are getting ideas, I want you to write your own idea on your paper also. Okay. A doctor. Somebody said a doctor. Play robot. Okay. What will, okay, don't use just words. Tell me what the robot will do. If you wrote scientist robot, what does the scientist do? Somebody said protector. Good. Protector. It will protect you. If you write environment robot, what will the robot do? You can't have a robot that does everything. The condition is that it only does one thing. So bodyguard, protector, army, one thing. Give me more ideas. Come on, guys. You're giving me amazing ideas right now. Cutting, hair cutting. Okay. Hair cutting. Soldier. But how will that make your life better? Car driver. Don't we have Uber, Ola for it? I think this and this, I like it. Because right now during COVID, we cannot go outside and talk and meet people, right? Because of COVID. And I get very bored at home and I feel like talking to somebody and playing with it. So I'm going to make a robot that is going to be my buddy, my close friend, a buddy robot that can talk and listen. Okay, so see what did I do right now? I finalized or I chose one idea. So all of you guys choose one robot that you want to do, and then so I chose buddy robot, and after choosing the buddy robot, I gave the robot some function that this buddy robot is going to be like my friend. What does friend do? He listens to me, he talks with me, and he plays with me. So this is for the people who couldn't get any ideas. You guys can use from these 4 ideas that we got. Yeah, that's a good idea. A robot that gives sanitizer and mask when needed. That's a very good idea. So that can be the second 2.0 doctor. That can be for mask and sanitizer. That's a very good idea.